Welcome everybody to Volvo's first launch of 2026. This is the new Volvo ES90 electric sedan with some new and cool features never seen in a Volvo before this. But before we get into that, if you're looking to get a new Volvo or any new car at all, do consider getting it from AutoBuzz.my through our website at the Grab a Deal section for some really interesting deals and exclusive Trapo products. But more on that later. Compared to other Volvo sedans before this, the ES90 stands out with its fastback looks. But it's not just for show. This is the most slippery, or rather most aerodynamic Volvo ever, with a drag coefficient of just 0.25, just slightly higher than the really aerodynamic Porsche Taycan at 0.22. The Volvo ES90 is built on the same SPA2 platform, just like Volvo's electric SUV, the EX90, so you get a slightly raised ride height. There will be a lot of space in the rear legroom as well because wheelbase is at 3.1 meters, similar to the large Xpeng X9 and the Kia EV9. As for some brief specifications, it comes with really unique front and rear welcome lights. You get 22-inch wheels with active air suspension, 4 different color options, frameless side mirrors, which I really like, and flush door handles. As for boot space, you get a large 424-litre boot which can be expanded to 733 litres with the rear seats folded, while also having a 22-litre trunk in the front. The ES90 comes as a single motor rear-wheel drive with 333 horsepower, 480 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 is a very respectable 6.6 seconds. The new Volvo ES90 is the first Volvo to be equipped with an 800-volt architecture, so it can take up to 350 kilowatts of DC fast charging. As for AC charging, it can take 11 kilowatts. With the DC fast charger, charging this ES90 from 10% to 80% takes just 22 minutes. It comes with a 92 kilowatt-hour NMC battery that's good for 651 kilometers of electric range. The ES90 is only the second car in Volvo's lineup to feature the Volvo Superset tech stack. Basically, it is a single hardware, single software system that can be used to power upcoming Volvo cars. The ES90 also comes with a world-first battery passport where, using blockchain technology, Volvo can trace where the raw materials came from used to make the battery and even the battery's health. With the NVIDIA Drive AGX Orin, this is Volvo's most powerful car in terms of computing capacity, capable of managing up to 508 trillion operations per second to control things like the car's AI system, safety systems, and battery management. I think you can agree with me that the inside looks typically Volvo with the materials and the designs adopted. First of all, you get a head-up display, a 9-inch driver display, and a 14-inch infotainment system that comes with a lot of Google features such as Google Maps and Google Assistant. One feature you will find really impressive is the 25-speaker Bowers and Wilkins system that comes with speakers not just on the headrest but also on the ceiling. It also comes with an Abbey Road Studios mode where it can replicate the legendary recording studio in England in terms of sound quality and clarity. It comes with a 4-zone air conditioning system with an air purifier system that can block out 99.9% of grass, tree, and pollen allergens. These signature wood panels by the door panel and dashboard are made of FSC certified wood for sustainability. The panoramic glass roof not only offers 99.9% UV protection, but it also comes with a really cool electrochromic function where you can make the glass transparent or frosted. In terms of safety, there is no questioning a Volvo, with Volvo Malaysia using the tagline Volvo itu selamat, selamat itu Volvo. It comes with 5-star Euro NCAP rating, a new 3D view on the infotainment screen to help maneuverability through tight spaces, with the help of 5 radars, 7 cameras and 12 ultrasonic sensors. Right from the start, the new Volvo ES90 will be locally assembled and is priced from 339,000 ringgit. If you're looking to get the new Volvo ES90, any new Volvo or any new car at all, do consider getting it through AutoBuzz.my on our website at the Grab a Deal section for really attractive Trapo gifts, including Trapo dashcam, Trapo floor mats, car care kit and Trapo phone accessories. For more information on the new Volvo ES90, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.